Hello, friends. Today, we're diving deeper into a feeling that helps us heal and grow, feeling forgiving. Forgiveness isn't always easy, especially when we feel really hurt or angry. But it's an important step toward repairing our relationships and moving forward. Forgiveness is a powerful emotion. It's not just about letting go of anger, it's about finding relief and rebuilding connections with others. But it's okay to admit that forgiving someone can be challenging, especially when emotions are running high. Let's think about this situation. Imagine a friend accidentally broke your favorite toy. You're feeling upset and angry, and it's hard to think about forgiving them. What could you do to feel ready to forgive? Together, let's come up with some strategies that might help. First, let's think about our thoughts. What can we tell ourselves to feel more forgiving? Great ideas. We could ask ourselves if it's worth staying upset. Maybe we remind ourselves that it was an accident and think about how good it feels to forgive. Here are some thought strategies we can try. Ask yourself, is this really a big deal? Picture how much better you'll feel after forgiving. These thoughts can help us shift from anger to a more forgiving mindset. Now, let's think about what actions might help. Sometimes, forgiving takes time and space. It's okay to tell someone, I need a moment to calm down. Or maybe we need the person to apologize or take action like helping to fix what was broken. Here are some action strategies you can use. Take time and space to calm down before forgiving. Ask for what you need to forgive, like an apology or a solution to the problem. These steps can make forgiving feel more achievable. When we forgive, we open the door to feeling better and restoring our friendships. Forgiveness helps us let go of anger and focus on what really matters, our connection with others. Forgiveness isn't always easy, but it's worth it. By using strategies like shifting our thoughts or taking the time we need, we can move toward feeling forgiving and rebuilding our relationships. Let's all try to practice forgiveness this week and see how it makes us feel. Thanks for learning about forgiveness with me today, friends. Remember, forgiving someone is a gift not just for them, but for you too. See you next time.